Under is full directly covered. Below is just lower but not touching. Number 1. The cat is playing the table. Should it be under or below? Well, if the cat is hiding and the table is covering it, then the right choice is under. So the sentence becomes, the cat is under the table. Great job. Number 2. The sun is blank the horizon. Now the sun isn't physically covered by the horizon. It's simply lowered in position. That makes below the right choice. So the sun is below the horizon. Nice work. Keep it up. Number 3. Shoes are blank the bed now. Shoes hide under beds like they are planning an escape. Since the bed covers the shoes, we use under. So it's shoes are under the bed now. Great job. No monsters under there, I hope so. Number 4. The boat sank below the water. If the boat goes down into the water and is lower than the surface, but not touching something covering it, that's below. So we say the boat sank below the water. Nicely done. Number 5. The pen rolled blank the sofa. Picture a pen falling off the table and sticking into the dark space where lost coins live. It ends up covered by the sofa. So that's under. We say the pen rolled under the sofa. Fantastic progress. High five. So quick recap. Under means directly lower and covered. And below means simply lower but not touching. You've just smashed through 5 examples. Amazing work. Now it's your turn. Try the extra exercise on your own. And before we wrap up, I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, working hard to make these lessons for you. So please like and subscribe. And remember, if you are under stress, don't sink below your sense of humor. I'll see you next time. Bye.